Hi children, I hope all are doing good. And today I am going to teach English grammar for class 7. And the topic is the sentence. Today we are going to cover what is a sentence, kinds of sentence, parts of a sentence. Okay?
What is a sentence? A group of words that makes a complete sense is called a sentence. Look at this example, children. Humpty Dumpty sat on a wall. It gives complete sense, isn't it? So therefore, it is a sentence. You have to note down these important points, children. First point, a sentence begins with a capital letter. So always a sentence will begin with a capital letter. Understood? Secondly, the words in a sentence must be arranged in a proper order. Should be in proper order. Thirdly, every sentence ends with a full stop or a question mark or an exclamation mark. Now look at these words, children. In the morning, on a wall, of great beauty. These group of words makes sense but not complete sense. So these words are called as phrases. Understood? While it is raining is made of gold. Such group of words which forms part of a sentence is called a clause. So when you look at these sentences, these are part of a large sentence, isn't it? Therefore, these words are called as what? Clause. Understood? A sentence can perform four main functions. Depending on these, they are categorized as statement, interrogative sentence, imperative sentences, exclamatory sentences. Let's go with the first type of sentence, statement. A sentence that tells us something and ends up with a full stop is called a statement. It is also known as declarative or assertive sentence. Example, the sun rises in the east. Fruits are good for health. Now when you look at these examples, they tell us something, isn't it? And it ends up with the full stop. Got it? It starts with a capital letter. Okay, so therefore, these are called as statements. Understood? Either we declare or we state, isn't it? Therefore, it is called as a statement or a declarative or assertive sentence. Got it? The next type of sentence is interrogative sentence. A sentence that asks something and ends up with a question mark is called a interrogative sentence. Now look at these examples, children. What is your name? Where do you live? How old are you? All these ask something, isn't it? And it ends up with a question mark. Got it? So these are called as interrogative sentences. Now let's go with imperative sentences. A sentence that expresses a command or request is called a imperative sentence. Example, stop making noise. Please bring me a glass of water. How will you say this, children? Stop making noise, isn't it? So here what do? I command. When you go with the second one, please bring me a glass of water. So here I request, isn't it? So therefore it is a imperative sentence. Understood, children? Exclamatory sentence. A sentence that expresses a strong feeling and ends with a exclamation mark is called a exclamatory sentence. Example, it's so hot. What a lovely day. Wow, what a beautiful flower. In these examples, I expressed some strong feeling, isn't it? And it ends with a exclamation mark. Therefore, it is a exclamatory sentence. Parts of a sentence. Sentence can be divided into two parts. They are subject and predicate. The person or thing that is doing an action is known as subject. Predicate indicates the action performed by the subject. Here, this predicate describes more about the subject. The umbrella is blue. Here, the umbrella is the subject and is blue. It describes more about the umbrella. Therefore, it is a predicate. Understood, children? So far we saw about sentence, the types of sentences, parts of sentence. I hope you all understood, children. Thank you. Stay home and stay safe.